Dancing Drums Explosion. You know we're on 88. Bang it, baby, bang it. Bang it big time. We're gonna go with... Come on, do me right. Do me right. Do better than that. Retrigger. What do we got? That's it. Come on. Line them up all the way across. All the way. Retrigger. Come on. What is this? Come on. Should have went 15. Rich. Oh. Come on. Dirty. Dirty, dirty. Come on, retrigger. Nope. If I would have stopped it, it sucked. And it was those two. Get out of here. Nice little line hit. Wish that could have happened in the bonus. 18. Finally win.
Pick the car.
Oh my goodness, who we're choosing? I hate this choosing part. I don't know why I played this one. I'm gonna go with Findo. Come on, be good.
Lucky me.
I'm just gonna go with her. Please, clean jumper dog.
Beautiful.
You're
Freaky. Lovely.
Smash it. Precisely.
Oh.
Yes.
Lane jumper.
Right here, doggy. Right here, right here, right here.
My hypothesis is
Claim
riches.
jumper, buddy. Claim jumper.
Oh, heavy.
Oh my. Divine.
Cool.
Exponential.
Gimme.
Jumper.
Yeah, man.
Oh, wow.
Oh, man.
Claim jumper.
Fascinating.
Oh, yeah. Gold rush.
Yeah.
Come on, buddy. It's pretty lame. It's gonna be shitty though. I hate this one, especially by itself. It sucks. Get some more and some lines. Bye-bye, dragons. What line hits that now? Control that. But we're not waiting for it. Give me both. Thank you. This time? Way better. Dragons. Oh, come on. Arrows and dragons. What you gonna do? flyby again. Only once. All the freaking line hits. Come on.